Hey, hope you're good. In this video, I want to show you how to make vocal chops. We will end up with something like this. Let's begin. Let's start by finding a vocal. I chose this a cappella.
You make it feel like home.
Let's go through the vocal to find the best parts. What we're looking for is nice vowels and cool textures. When something sounds good, copy it down to another track. This one sounds nice.
Ooh,
Here's another.
baby,
And so on. You should end up with something like this.
ooh, baby, oh.
Now it's time to arrange these. Let's experiment with different placements and see what we end up with. Oh, and it's helpful to have some chords underneath to guide you. Here is what I ended up with.
Ooh, baby, oh, baby, oh,
So these sound okay, but let's pitch them around. It's a lot like creating a melody. Experiment to get a good result. This is what I ended up with. Some are pitched up, and some are pitched down. It's just listening plus some trial and error. Let's add some processing. Let's also hear it in context. So in conclusion, chop up a vocal, arrange the chops, pitch them around. And that's about it. I hope you found this useful. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks.